Welcome to Cybex World. What is personally identifiable information? Personally identifiable information refers to information which can be used to distinguish or trace an individual's identity, such as their name, social security number, biometric records, etc. alone, or when combined with other personal or identifying information which is linked or linkable to a specific individual, such as date and place of birth, mother's maiden name, etc. What can be considered personally identifiable information, PII? Some PII examples. 1. Full name usernames. 2. Home address mailing address. 3. Email address. 4. Credit card numbers. 5. Date of birth. 6. Phone numbers. 7. Login details. 8. Precise locations. 9. Account numbers. 10. Passwords. 11. Security codes, including biometric records. 12. Personal identification numbers. 13. Driver license number. 14. Biometrics, etc. Anyone can be affected by the misuse of personal data. Websites can compromise your privacy by mishandling or illegally sharing your data. This may lead to identity theft, account fraud, and account takeovers. The fear is falling victim to such fraudulent activity. PII can also be an issue when employees can access databases where the data is not encrypted. For example, anyone working in a bank can access your accounts, and anyone working at Facebook can read your messages. This shows how privacy breaches can easily happen when employees have access to PII. The likelihood of harm caused by a breach involving PII is greatly reduced if an organization minimizes the amount of PII it uses, collects, and stores. For example, an organization should only request PII in a new form if the PII is absolutely necessary. To reduce the risk of privacy breaches, try collecting as little PII as you can, purging it as soon as you can, and making sure your IT security is updated and protected against security threats.